After showcasing the model at the 2020 Auto Expo, Maruti Suzuki has finally launched the 2020 S-Cross petrol compact SUV in India, with prices starting at 8,39,000 rupees for the Sigma manual variant, going up to 12,39,000 rupees for the range-topping Alpha automatic variant. All prices ex-showroom Delhi. The new Maruti Suzuki S-Cross petrol is offered in 4 variants: Sigma, Delta, Zeta and Alpha. The model can be booked not only via the company's Nexa dealerships but also online. Bookings for the S-Cross petrol are already open for a token amount of 11,000 rupees, while deliveries will commence in a few days from now. The biggest update on the S-Cross comes to the powertrain. The compact SUV now draws power from the 1.5-litre K-series petrol engine that develops 103 brake horsepower and 138 Nm of peak torque. The company says that the S-Cross now delivers a fuel economy of 18.55 km per litre. The cabin boasts of several features including engine start-stop, Smart Play infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, multifunction steering wheel, auto-dimming IRVM, height-adjustable driver's seat, automatic climate control, cruise control and a lot more.
You are very right. This is a great occasion. It's also because it's not just the 5th anniversary of the Nexa, but it's also the 5th anniversary of the S-Cross. We started in 2015 July the Nexa brand, which was meant to give a differentiated car buying experience to the Indian buyer, and S-Cross was launched at that time. And of course, in the intervening period, we have had a change of the model of S-Cross, and with this is an absolutely new S-Cross with a new K15 engine. In terms of the volumes, it was doing about 3,000 per month, so roughly around range of about 32,000-36,000 a year. Of course, but it was only with the diesel, and we found from our feedback a lot of consumers wanting a refined power in terms of a good petrol, powerful petrol engine, and that is how the new S-Cross was conceived. We are very confident that with the automatic transmission also coming in, which was absent earlier, a lot of consumers wanted the facility and the ease of owning the automatic transmission car, and I think S-Cross, this new S-Cross does exactly that. So we are very confident that going forward, although cumulatively we have sold about 125,000, so 1.25 lakh cars of S-Cross. So going forward, we are very confident we will in fact maintain and even exceed these numbers.
TVS Motor Company has increased the price of the Apache RTR 204V by 1,050 rupees. The motorcycle is now priced at 1,28,550 rupees instead of 1,27,500 rupees. All prices ex-showroom Delhi. At the launch earlier this year, the price of the BS6 Apache RTR 204V was 1,24,000 rupees, about 12,000 rupees more than the BS4 model. For the extra price though, the updated Apache RTR 204V gets a BS6 compliant engine, a new and better looking headlamp cluster and new graphics. TVS had increased the prices of the Apache RTR 204V by 2,500 rupees in May this year, and this is the second price hike for the BS6 model. Mahindra & Mahindra will unveil the new generation Thar SUV via a virtual event on 15th of August 2020. The all-new off-roader will only be unveiled though, with the launch scheduled sometime in October this year. The new Mahindra Thar will retain its iconic and distinctive design language, but will also grow in proportions over the current model. The SUV will get several modern updates including LED daytime running lights, LED tail lights and a feature-loaded cabin. Expect features like a touchscreen infotainment system, automatic climate control, reverse parking sensors and high-speed alert, dual front airbags and a lot more. The seats too will see a lot of improvement, while the car overall will see major improvements in terms of quality. The new generation Mahindra Thar is likely to draw power from petrol and diesel engines with a 2-litre turbo petrol sourced from the new M Stallion family which will be sold alongside the tried and tested 2.2-litre turbo diesel.
If you liked that video, then please do remember to subscribe to the Car and Bike YouTube channel.